Hi, this is Andrew Warburton. If you're looking to buy a bank repo, you've come to the right place. I've been helping buyers of bank repos now since 1990, actually. And there are 5 crucial steps that I think it's so important for buyers to follow every time that you try and purchase a bank repo, whether you're an investor or whether you're an owner-occupant. So either call me or email the address that you see associated with this social media site, and one of my team will send you my 5 crucial steps to success when buying a bank repo. The first step really is quite simple. It's important that you put the right team in place. And hear me out on this, because it sounds kind of cheesy at first, but you probably have no idea how important this is. First of all, you need to make sure that you have the right lender on your team. And what is the right lender? Well, this is 2011. The first thing I would say is make sure that your lender is a direct lender. That's not a broker with a line of credit or a warehouse line. It's a direct lender. It's a bank. And the reason why is you're probably going to compete with other buyers, and the seller, the bank that's selling the property you want to buy, is going to look at the type of lender that you have. And they want to be sure that this is a rock-solid lender who can fund this loan and who will process it properly. So make sure that your lender is a direct lender. Very important. Also, the actual person that you're dealing with who's a lender, are they available? Are they responsive? Do they respond to you within 4 hours? Are they available on weekends? Because you're probably going to see new listings on weekends. Are they available? Are they available in the evening? If it takes them a day to get back to you, you don't have the right lender. Also, do you have your pre-qualification letter in place? And I want to touch on something here that you'll hear of something called a DU approval, a desktop underwriting approval. A desktop underwriting is an automated system that lenders use to see whether or not you're qualified to purchase a home, and some lenders use that to pre-qualify you. A desktop underwriting approval is only as good as the information that you put into the system. So if your lender puts in information regarding your income and doesn't calculate in there that part of your income is bonuses or part of your income is overtime, then even though you get a DU approval, that approval isn't worth the paper it's written on. You've got to make sure that you put in the right information. So is your lender a direct lender? Does your lender work weekends and evenings? Is your lender responsive? Has your lender provided you a pre-qualification letter? And finally, has your lender given you a good faith estimate that breaks down all of the costs associated with your loan, including the monthly payment and mortgage insurance if that applies? So, again, my 5 crucial steps to success when buying a repo. First of all, make sure your team is in place. Not only do you need the right lender, you need the right realtor. And I'll tell you something, I would like to apply for the job. My team is really dedicated to helping people buy not only their first home, but retirement home, second home, third home, vacation home. This is what I think is very important for you with your realtor. Again, is the realtor available? Is the realtor responsive? Is the realtor providing you the information you need when you need it, and the information that you want, not the information that they want to give to you? Here's something else very, very important. When you're buying a bank repo, understand there's a certain community within each city of realtors that sell bank repos. They know each other. And it's very annoying for a listing agent of a bank repo to put a property into escrow with an agent that they don't know, maybe even a part-time agent, and then it falls out of escrow because that listing agent looks bad then with his or her client, which means they may not get more bank repo assignments. So if your realtor is connected within the community, if your realtor either knows the listing agent or knows somebody who knows the listing agent, it doesn't mean that if your offer is lower that you'll get it accepted. What it does mean is if it's a tightly competitive situation, that realtor may well say to the asset manager, I know this buyer's agent. I know they're reliable. I know the lender. I know this is somebody that we can trust. So there you go. It's just a little snippet. Why don't you call me or email me for my 5 crucial steps to success when buying a bank repo. I believe in the American dream. Property is 50, 60, 70% discounted right now. Interest rates are low. It's a great time to buy a home in Southern California. In fact, across the United States. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks for watching.